Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Imam Ali's generals, who stopped the battle to negotiate with Muawiyah, did not pick the right person for the negotiation. They unyieldingly refused to accept Imam Ali's choice. Instead they picked Kufa's governor, Abu Musa Ash'ari, an incompetent governor who had been previously dismissed from office by Imam Ali. Muawiyah appointed Amr ibn al-As, a shrewd and cunning man, to be his representative in the negotiation. Negotiation between the two sides did not take place for about 1 year. When the two negotiators came face to face, it was clear that Ash'ari's capability was no match for his opponent Ibn al-As. In the negotiations, Ash'ari proposed that both Muawiyah and Imam Ali were to abdicate and to let the people hold election for the Khalifa. Amr ibn al-As, a deceptive man at best, quickly agreed to Ash'ari's proposal and asked him to first announce the agreement. Ash'ari stood up and announced,
"O people, we have agreed not to consider Ali or Muawiyah for Khilafah. You may choose or elect whomever you think is fit."
The cunning Amr ibn al-As stood up next to say, "O people, I won't consider Ali for the Khalifa. But Muawiyah, in my opinion, is the person for that office." Upon hearing this, and feeling deceived, the people screamed disapprovingly. An uproar was the result. Imam Ali's camp was in shock. They were double-crossed, deceived and lied to. They felt deeply cut. Amr's double-crossing and deception was simply beyond their imagination. They left the place bewildered and utterly disappointed. Because of this, a large group of Imam Ali's supporters defected to form a separate group called Kharijis, meaning the outsiders. The Khariji became fanatically opposed to Imam Ali and Muawiyah. Some of their members met secretly in Mecca and drew a plan to assassinate Ali in Kufa, Muawiyah in Syria, and Amr ibn al-As in Egypt. 3 fanatics took the responsibility. They were to attack their victims in the morning, the same day, as the would-be victims were going to the mosque to lead the morning salat. Ibn Muljim attacked and fatally wounded Imam Ali, whereas Muawiyah escaped with a light wound of his buttock. Amr ibn al-As was ill that day and his replacement was killed by the Khariji. Imam Ali, in wounded condition, conferred the imamah and the reign of the Islamic nation to his 37-year-old son, al-Hasan.